Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. Real brief one, taking the cold temp glue test out of the clamps. And my first observation is the glue excess. You see that? It's kind of chalky. And it's not as hard as it normally would be. So what I'd like to do is I'm going to put this, can you see down here? Yes. Against the bench dog. And we're going to lightly tap it with the little mallet. Okay. It's not coming off. Let's try planing the surface. Both of them. I don't see the glue line, so it is solid. So impact, shock is not affecting it. Let's try this piece is thicker than the lip I created. So let's try putting it on that and pressing down. That doesn't break. You can try tapping it with a hammer. So I would say, for all intents and purposes, it does pass adhesion test and strength. It appears to be solid. It appears to be solid. So that's old-fashioned regular Titebond. Now, I'm still staying with my opinion that rooms, your workshop, should be at least 50 degrees or more, preferably dry in the winter and dehumidified in the summer. If it gets really, really dry inside in the winter, like 10, 15% moisture, you might actually want to consider a humidifier. So there you have it, everybody. As far as I can tell, without putting it under some sort of pressure gauge test, it worked. Let me know if this was helpful, useful. It's not entertaining, but like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.